Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to edit intro template in Sony Vegas Pro and create your own intro video. Let's get started. Suppose we want to edit this bright rounded template. Then click on brightrounded.veg. This is the Sony Vegas Pro project extension. Then click ignore missing file and leave it offline. Click on OK. This is basically our intro template, but there is no sound. To adding sound, right click on it and click insert audio track and go to your template folder. Here you get a .wav file. Drag it into your timeline. So after adding audio file, now we change the text. Then click on gradient media. Text you change whatever you want. Then click top free intro text. Click on this and change the text. This is actually our company name, by the way. Our template edit is complete. Let's play how it looks. So in this way we can easily edit our intro template.